hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up my people, big up on the cell man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Fit up the glass, NEWLINK. Because people, see anytime you read some story, attacking boss definitely have to share it to the people. Because when they so interesting, me just can't keep it to myself. I have to publicize it with my viewers and my subscribers out there. But first of all, I want to say big up McCoy News, yeah. Panda website thing. Them news anchor from down on the western side in our bay, because I was reading an article publicized on their thing, people. And when me read it, me decide say, you know what, NEWLINK, me have to share it, you know. Yeah, me have to talk about it, people. It sound good. If it pick up on the channel, or you mean attacking boss. Alright, people. It is where a female wrote into the editor, right? And said she decides that she want to share a little thing and asking for some advice based on a thing that's been going on in our present life right now. I understand, people, yeah. This female say now, she's a female who always see her local witch doctor them. Yeah, if you want to call it juju, obia, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's something there. She said she come from a side in a Jamaica where big in them something there, where you find a lot of them people there. So she never talk away, but me most likely I think she a St. Thomas. Me yes them big in I St. Elizabeth, St. Mary. Me mostly I think on them side, yeah. So she said she comes a boom now, people, right? She always go to her local witch doctor them, because when she do her job and she want a promotion, or when any little thing go on and she want gain certain things, she go to them and everything work out. Good for her. So she have a special witch doctor where she always go to and deal with her thing and her. You know what I mean? Yeah. So she comes a boom now and go there one day, because she have a bigger thing for deal with. So she not disclose it like talk about, but she have a bigger thing what she want to sort out. She said the man say for deal with this one now, it a go double the price that she normally pay, and she said deep inside honestly she don't got that money. But she said the man said, don't worry yourself, man. You can pay me with one thing. Just give me that SEX something there. Yeah, me put it on and yeah. So she think about it first, because she look into it and I say, you know, I'm going to go give and I'm going to go chop me and I can't stop, and you know what, she don't want that. But deep inside she want the man do the thing where she want to be done, you understand? And it's a witch doctor where she work with all the while and thing. So she comes to boom now, people, she go in there and she do her thing, and she said deep inside the man never too bad. She full joy. They get me as she say it kind of constantly happen, and you know what I mean, them go more than once, more than twice, and they continually do it. But deep inside now, people, the thing now happen what she want the man to do, it now happen, and it take a while now, because she say it a go on for a while now. Say she asks him about it, and he must say to her, say, you know, say you have patience, man, give it some time now. She say about him now, people, when he might put it on her, he always make some funny sound, you understand, some sound when are usual and things. So she said she asked him why he always make them sound. He said he must make them sound because so him get him climax and thing. You get me, answer, people. She said deep inside now, it kind of worry her too much, because it a go on for a while now. The man keep on a put on the panel and thing, which is not too bad, because she a full giant in a certain way, but she want him done. You know what I mean? When she said him a go done and everything, but it can't done. She said she don't want bother him too much, because she knows, and she hear other people say, yo, if you really bother them man too much on certain levels, he will do certain things, and she don't want that, because the man says she's so impatient and things, she have to just wait till the thing work. Well, people, this female now says she asks some advice to the editor. You know what I mean, hear about her advice and thing. So the attacking boss seat people, and me say, you know what, NEWLINK, me have to give her advice too, and my viewers and my subscribers right now in the comment section, I go give them advice too. Or you mean NEWLINK, they have to do it. Well, come some boom now, people, and I look into the whole thing now. See, number one, you in your job now, 9 to 5, what kind of job you are do? And you are going to mix up evilly in your job according to what you wrote to the editor, right? So you do this again, promotion and all of them, something there. Me know someone do it for you, you know. Me know someone do it, but they think I good something. So you know go there and they gain promotion, they think I good something. That's why you say sometimes when I have no job and some things reach you know, on the job. Number one, you gone wrong. That's so, right? You come to boom now, so you want to do something bigger, which you don't want to talk, which me don't know about. Me don't want to know if Mr. Trump you want to rescue you now. We understand. Me don't know if that you want to do. I understand. Or if you want to go into the White House with bidding now. Me don't know if that you want to do. You understand? So now people, she comes to boom, she go do that now. Man go tell her that day. So you believe in yourselves now. So the man that go come to boom. I hope man that. Me not saying can't do what you do, because like him do things here, but me not saying can't do it. But him use that there. See? If you go upon you, put it on, fling it up and cock it up and you say you make some sound like what kind of sound he make? You never talk. What kind of sound make some funny sound, right? He put on them because say you're saying getting kicks in climax, right? And you feel deep inside saying not trick you already. Him trick you already. And you now go tap. You now got to put it on you until him decide to tap. See? The man trick you already. As me tell him now, saying can't do what you want him to do, but the man trick you and that him want. All him want is the local tune between that something there. And so him a do, him take it and him a sock it and him a mark it. Lady, and any woman out there where think they something here, listen me man, them something are wrong. Them devil thing are wrong. Them satanic thing are them demonic thing are wrong. See? Any promotion you want. You see me as a youth, let me tell you number one. Me I work in a job, especially me work in a hotel industry, you understand? From years and years now. And you feel say, me want a promotion in there? No, me want to be the regular staff. Because you know promotion bring hatred, promotion bring lot of things and I get them things there sometimes. Be a bad mind and this. Even when you're one of the normalist person, you go find somebody who got talk this and so you know more than the funny. The normal side stuff, you know. Me not say nothing wrong with you getting a promotion, but you better you do work towards it. But when you go mix them demonic something and say you go for do this, you go for gain this, you go for that, your brain caught up, you know. Your brain caught up, you know what? You mix with the devil. The devil worship, devil works, you do. Why you want? You know if you say whatever you want, the Almighty could wrangle it for you. There's nothing on earth where God cannot do. You understand? Once and it's straight and it fit with the Almighty. So when if you know you're going to do something wrong now, you can't go to the Almighty so you chose the devil. Which you gone wrong. So me not no good advice if you right now NEWLINK even that comes about. NEWLINK. Beat it out. Attack. It's an attack me I give you. Me know say it's sad for me beat the attack upon you in a certain way. But me have to beat the attack upon you. Because number one, me I beat the attack and I tell us, yo, stop guard man. Me a beat the attacker and say, me don't know how to take him off for you if you put it on for you. Because I chop you and him catch already. You know what you have to do? If I send him, I say, really then now, find yourself up a bat and go try bat yourself. See? If I send Elizabeth, they don't even know what to send about coming down. I'm going to tell her go chuck off in a Black River now and next them crocodile everything by Ethiopia. Understand? You know, if I sent me already now, boy, I don't even know it's a car. I say, road a collapse up there. So I know I'm going to tell her if you go up on the road and road go collapse with you. So I don't know what you tell her if you do. You understand? If you fix yourself, but you feel looking at yourself, you're going to mix up a thing. Yo, attacking boss now go easy, you know? No, me have to go, me read the article and I saw it and me deliver it promptly. Me deliver it to the people. I'm like, oh, you say it, I saw it go. I understand according to what you say. Listen me woman out there, listen me man to any man we are pretty and something because man, no found a man do it too. No one go tie up woman and then something there. No one big job and then something there. Yeah. You understand? That's why name hey, listen me man. Think. Zine, no think. Think before no act. No joke thing. Think and ladies open to learn from that one because me tell her say the man chop it. The man chop maybe your son here say she have 10 look up in back or you think a joke? She never talk how long it starting the people. But it like a recently it go on. Cause she say it go on right now. You know finish and she need advice and you know if you do. You understand? But me nah nothing good to tell her. Attacking boss, I say attack for you. And even for him too, you know. That is in the attack. Not joke thing. Or the Almighty me say. So viewers and subscribers, as I was telling her before, leave in the comment section because I know she's going to see this video. She's going to see this video. And when she see this video, people, oh yeah, she go check the comment section if nobody go give her advice. If you know, want give her good advice, you know. It's up to you. But attacking boss, nah, nothing good to say. Because it wrong. And for you mix with that devil something there. Oh my burl, oh my peaches NEWLINK. Me not believe in it. But here I go now. Make sure if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now. Thank you. And remember, tap that bell icon there. And when the video them drop from NEWLINK, remember tap all. Yeah. So when I drop the video them, you got your ping. Yeah. A NEWLINK that. And you upload something. Yes. So when I get the ping now, you can watch, you comment again, full joy yourself, watch out the ads them, because you don't know, you watch out the ads them, you support NEWLINK, and big up on yourself, and big up to everybody who say, NEWLINK on Instagram, and Facebook, and Twitter, and follow, and like, big up on yourself, you understand, because more peace in the people, and more love, and more respect. Remember people, today the 4th, Alright, me have 7 more days to go for my Earth Strong. And I look for my present them in the people. I'm looking forward for my present. You understand? Big up to everybody who give me present already. You mean if me not get present? Of course I'm getting present. And I appreciate it too. The things of my viewers and my subscribers have left the link. So, I know so the link birthday you come. Sorry so I could come at the party, but you don't know a thing about privacy thing. And if you can't fly you no come. Or you mean? You no fly you no come. Yo, don't need bag of talking, NEWLINK. Peace out. My gone. Big up on yourself. Are the attacking boss and summit on.